Everyone thinks the best-selling printer for Waterslide Decals is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, JPER Waterslide Paper. First up, we have the JPER Waterslide Decal Paper. Priced at $11.99, this product caught my attention because it's a bestseller on Amazon with over 2,400 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating. If you want high-quality, vibrant decals, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this matters for you specifically. This means your designs will come out looking sharp and colorful, perfect for all sorts of surfaces like ceramics, glass, and plastics. The 10 brightness rating ensures your colors pop, which is crucial for creating eye-catching designs. Plus, it's compatible with both pigment and dye inks, making it a flexible choice for various projects. Now, some people complained about the paper being tricky to use without proper sealing. Here's the thing though, if you follow the instructions and use a clear acrylic spray, it works like a charm. So as long as you're willing to take that extra step, this is a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you want to create personalized gifts or DIY projects at home. Skip this one if you're looking for something that works with laser printers. For the price, the quality is unbeatable. Now, if the sealing issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Asub Waterslide Paper. Next up is the Asub Waterslide Decal Paper, priced at $10.99. With a 4.6-star rating from 1,400 reviews, this one is another solid contender. If you want a reliable option that delivers great results, you should definitely check this out. The standout feature here is its excellent ink capacity, which means your prints will come out beautifully without fading. This paper works well on any smooth surface, making it versatile for projects ranging from mugs to nail designs. The clear finish is ideal for light-colored surfaces, ensuring your designs shine through. Plus, it comes with detailed instructions that make the process easy even for beginners. But I'll be real with you, some users mentioned that the instructions could be a bit confusing at first. Here's the thing though, most people found that once they got the hang of it, the results were well worth the effort. So if you're patient with the learning curve, you'll be rewarded with stunning decals. This one is perfect for DIY enthusiasts who love crafting personalized gifts. Skip it if you prefer a less hands-on approach, but for the price, it's a great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a bulk option. Product number 3, Rowenzy DD Printable Vinyl Sticker Paper. Now let's talk about the Rowenzy DD Printable Vinyl Sticker Paper, which retails for $22.99. With a rating of 4.4 stars from 2,000 reviews, this one is a bestseller for a reason. If you're looking for a large quantity of high-quality sticker paper, this is worth considering. This paper is waterproof and durable, meaning your stickers can withstand the elements, whether indoors or outdoors. The glossy finish provides vivid colors, which is exactly what you need for impactful designs. It's compatible with both inkjet and laser printers, making it versatile for different printing needs. However, some users reported that it can be a bit tricky to cut precisely due to its thickness. Now, for those who are more experienced with crafting, this might not be a deal breaker. Just take your time and you'll get beautiful results. This product is perfect for anyone who needs a lot of sticker paper for various projects. Skip it if you're only looking for a few sheets, but honestly, for the number of sheets you get, it's a great deal. Now, if you need something a bit more specific for high-quality applications, let's check out the next product. Product number 4, Haye's Waterslide Decal Paper. Next, we have the Haye's Waterslide Decal Paper, selling for $13.99. This one has an impressive 4.6-star rating with over 21,000 reviews, making it a favorite among crafters. If you want a reliable and user-friendly option, this might just be your ticket. The thickness of 200 GSM ensures that your prints look vibrant and detailed, perfect for all your DIY crafts. It's designed specifically for inkjet printers, ensuring optimal results without smudging. Plus, the application process is straightforward, making it accessible even for beginners. Now, some users did point out that it might not stick as well on rough surfaces. Here's the thing, if you stick to smooth surfaces like glass or ceramics, you'll be very happy with the results. So if you're primarily working with those materials, this product is a great fit. This is perfect for crafters who appreciate ease of use and vibrant results. Skip it if you're working on textured surfaces, but the value for the quality here is definitely commendable. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you're looking for something specifically for stickers, let's move on to our last product. Product number 5, Asub Clear Sticker Paper. Finally, let's check out the Asub Clear Sticker Paper priced at $9.99. With a 4.6-star rating and about 1,500 reviews, this one stands out if you're looking for clear labels or custom decals. If you want something affordable yet effective, this is definitely worth your time. This paper is designed for inkjet printers and produces vibrant, crisp images that dry quickly, making it perfect for those who want to create custom stickers at home. The strong adhesive means that these stickers will stay put on smooth surfaces, like glass or metal. It's also easy to work with, as it allows for a range of creative applications from gift packaging to personal crafts. However, some users did mention that it doesn't work well with certain printer models. Here's the thing though, if you ensure compatibility before buying, you'll likely have a fantastic experience. It's all about checking your printer specs. This is perfect for anyone who wants to create personalized stickers or labels without breaking the bank. Skip this if you have a laser printer that it won't work with, but for the price, it's a great value. To wrap things up, we've explored 5 great options for Waterslide decal printers. Each product has its strengths, whether it's bulk quantity, ease of use, or price. The right choice really comes down to your specific needs and projects.